Have you ever thought about translating a comic yourself because you don't know what the characters are talking? It's pretty simple to do that these days, so let me show you one of the ways you can translate your own comic or any words in a picture. Prerequisites: comic page, Google Notes, Gimp, ChatGPT. First, take a screenshot of a comic page. Next, paste, upload, or drag and drop the image into Google Notes. Once the image has been processed, go down and click the three-dotted menu icon and select Grab Image Text option. Now that the image-to-text conversion has been completed, organize the text in order by comparing it to the image. Next, copy the text and go to ChatGPT, then politely ask it to translate the text for you. There you go, the simplest way to translate a comic of your liking. You could go one step further and re-letter the page itself. Go to Gimp Program. Open the screenshot inside Gimp. For each translation, add and modify text box, then place them over their respective positions. Once done positioning, erase the original words in the page. Finally, export the image. Here are the final results. 3 translated pages translated using ChatGPT, Gimp, Google Notes, and the manhwa chapter.